What's good, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. Sorry I haven't uploaded because if you guys see my last episode, it's like you guys understand what the Accord has been through. Everything's reverted back to stock. And I told you guys I've been looking into getting to a new car. And I have my trusty sidekick, David.
What's good? I'll
link his Instagram down below. So he's helping me to check out the car. We're heading down. Look. Damn! Shit belts. So the car I'm looking at, I'm not gonna tell you guys until later in the video. I'm just gonna show it to you guys. Motherfucker, have to come to a pit stop.
Well, yeah, because my fucking compressor might not work, bro. What you mean? You want my shit to like deflate in the middle of the freeway and like not have a way back? Come on now.
Getting gas. We're still in San Jose either way. I wonder what cast he's gonna take. That's a 409, 379. I wonder what he's gonna take since this is a Nesmo. But yeah, huge thanks to David for taking me to get my car. I'm super stoked, and this is his Nesmo right here, a Sentra Nesmo, and by far this guy right here made the Sentra look great. Motherfucker bought Arizona, what the fuck? You bought gay. Look, it's a GTR.
It's a poor man's GTR. I don't understand the stupid fucking traffic. Like, there's no accidents. There's no exit, man. Like, why the fuck are you people slowing the fuck down? Like, look, there's no accidents. I don't fucking get it. What the hell? This shit's just at a dead stop up there. For what reason?
Oh look, cows!
Fuck them cows.
The fuck? Are you high? Oh my god, dude. We're gonna be eating tonight.
Bro, you can't even see the cows on that camera.
Yeah, you can. They're just tiny dots. They're fucking tiny dots.
Those tiny dots are fucking fleas, my dude. Those are fleas.
Can you let me enjoy life? Jesus.
Hell no. Why would I let you do that?
Oh, you're rude. Alrighty, so we weren't able to pick up the first car up in Brentwood. That was like a waste of time. And I was able to pick up my second option, or one of the options on my list for another car, and it only cost me $3,200. I'm so excited, and here it is. It's a Acura TL. It's just a TL. So when buying this car, it was modified and everything was all reverted back to stock. So the reason why it cost $3,200. It was supposed to cost $3,000, but $3,200 because I bought the lip and the roof visor as well. I always wanted these on the car, and they look amazing. And it also comes with a straight pipe, or slightly of a straight pipe. It has a resonant delete and a muffler delete. Overall, this car is amazing. There's a lot of things I have to work on, especially with the front portion. There's a lot of paint chips right here. Right there. Oh, the headlights are worked on already. If I press this button right here, and let's see, what else do I need to work on. These are SI wheels. Don't really care about them, as long as I have wheels and I can get from point A to point B. It's all good. And here's the interior. I kind of moved a couple of my stuff in here. So far this is it. Sitting here. The roof is done as well. This is so clean. So right now I'm getting the car smog checked, so I could get the paperwork done with the pink slip and everything, so I could consider this car mine, and then head down to my insurance company to get an insurance estimate and everything like this, so this car could be all set. So this is it. I'm about to head down to this pre-meet for Carnival. If you guys are going to Carnival next Saturday, I believe, I'll be there. I'll bring my car too. I'll bring this car. This one can't roll up because the regulator broke, even whether or not if I click on the switch. The car isn't on, but like regardless if I do this, it still wouldn't roll up, so I'm gonna have to change that. While the others are fine. I have to take off the window tint. That's my, especially the front. And this one, the reason why is I did get pulled over once on my CG6 with window tint in the front, and they gave me a fine for it. I don't know why. I'm pretty sure the cops are just being an asshole, but that's how they are. So, alrighty. So let's just test it if it works or not. Got the key right here. Put it in the ignition. Put it to on mode. Oh fuck yeah. Okay, cool. It works. Oh, thank goodness. That took so long. So, yeah, this is gonna be the new build now. Right here. Boop, boop.